Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever in the world you are. Okay, today finally I'm going back to work. I'm sorry, I only have 15 minutes to get ready before I leave the house. First, I need to brush my hair. Okay, hurry up. I need to hurry because I only have 15 minutes. So usually it doesn't take a long time for me to get ready. I can get ready in about short time. Okay. Next, I'll blow dry my hair. And next, I'm gonna dry my hair, but it's gonna be noisy, so I'll turn it off. So this is the first time that I'm gonna talk in my video because I'm not really into talking, but I'm trying my best. So this is my hair after 3 minutes of blow drying. Next will be a bit of foundation. I actually ran out foundation, so I'm using concealer. After that, you can blend it using this foam, or you can also use your hands or brush or whatever you have. It doesn't have to be specific. So I'm usually late at my original work, but today I decided not to be late because I was on leave for about 1 week, 7 or 8 days, or 6, 7, 8, whatever. So I'm trying to get ready quickly. Blend, blend, blend. This Facelift Palette 10 Deep. I'm gonna use this for my eyebrows. Oops. Okay. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Brush, brush, brush. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Essence My Little Coral. Today, I'm in the mood for this, so tap, 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 a little bit of this, maybe a little bit of that. Again. Oh, maybe I can use the mirror here. I have 7 minutes left. Okay. Then after that, I need to book Uber. Next will be here. I'm thinking, what is the title for this vlog? Get ready with me to go to work, or quick get ready with me, or 15 minutes get ready with me? What do you think, guys? Just comment down below. Next is blush, Essence the blush. This one. So most of my makeup, guys, are Essence because it's nice, light, and affordable. What about you guys? What is your favorite makeup brand? For me, I'm not very specific. That, and a little bit of here. So for my lips, I like to use this for lip lining, just like this. Tap, tap, tap. So if you line your lips like this, it looks sexy and full. But depends to your preference. Sometimes I do it, sometimes not. Depends my mood. Sometimes I just like to look like this, but today I like it to look extra pretty, so I'm gonna use so this is a lipstick with blush. I know, not blush, lip gloss, sorry. Eyebrow check, blush on check, lipstick check. That is all for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next one.